Writing a Personal Narrative, Episode 4, Transition Words. In the last episode, you focused on the content and structure of your personal narrative. In this episode, you will learn why it is important to include transition words in your writing. Think of transition words like the signs on a road trip. The signs act as guides, making it easier for drivers to follow the correct route. Without signs, the route would be unclear and drivers might get lost. Similarly, transition words act as guides, making it easier for the reader to follow the sequence of events. Without transition words, your story could be confusing, and readers might have trouble following along. Take a look at the following examples. Notice how one small change can make a big difference. Number 1. The team practiced daily, worked on their strategy, and reviewed their past games. They won the championship. Number 2. The team practiced daily, worked on their strategy, and reviewed their past games. Finally, they won the championship. Did you catch how the writing changed? In the first example, the sentences are not connected with the transition word, making the events in the first and second sentences seem unrelated. In the second example, the transition word finally connects the team's hard work to winning the championship. Adding a transition word like finally makes it easier for the reader to follow the sequence of events. Here's another example. First, gather all the ingredients. Next, mix the flour and sugar in a large bowl. Then, add the eggs and butter. Finally, bake until golden brown. Do you see how the transition words guide readers through the recipe? Let's take a look at some more. As each word is listed, think about how it could help guide readers through your narrative. After. Suddenly. Later. Afterward. Before. At last. Earlier. And previously. Can you add 5 more? How about soon, eventually, initially, once, or while? Read through the entire list and pick 3 to include in your narrative. Now that you know how important it is for your narrative to include transition words, you are ready to add details that will bring your experience to life. Watch the next episode to find out how. Remember, like and subscribe to be notified of future videos and to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.